We now talk about Vega. Vega is a very important Greek. It is the second most important Greek after delta. So Vega measures the sensitivity of the option price with respect to volatility. So if the volatility changes, so change in volatility, and then you have change in option price. So if volatility changes by 1 unit, we want to know by how much did the option price change. So it is typically expressed as the amount of money per underlying share that the options value will gain or lose as the volatility rises or falls by 1%. So basically the volatility changes here in the denominator by 1%. Then this Vega will tell us by how much percentage the call option or the put option will change value. Now this is extremely important. In fact, this has to be taken into account for traders which are involved in volatility trades. So volatility trades for call and put options, butterfly, straddles, strangles, condors, etc. all depend upon the volatility of the stock. Now this is the same for put and calls. So whether you have put or call, your Vega is the same. So let us do an example. Say spot price is 45, volatility is 20%, strike is 50, risk-free rate is 0.05%, and our tau is 3 months. So then the call option Vega would be 5.416 and the put option Vega would also be the same, 5.416. Now we keep this constant, this constant, this constant, and this constant, and we change strike. So if you keep changing strike, you can get a ladder like this. So as you can see, when you keep changing strike, the Vega also keeps changing, but call and put Vega is always the same. So notice that the Vega is highest at 45, and this 45 is same as the spot price here. So certain things you need to notice is that Vega is always positive, and option traders often add up their Vegas of their puts and calls so as to understand the sensitivity of their portfolio to sudden changes in volatility. Now this is extremely important. So if the market is very volatile, the Vega is going to change dramatically, and Vega will always give you an idea of how sensitive your portfolio is with respect to the changes in volatility. So if the market is extremely volatile, the traders will try their best to reduce the Vega of their portfolio. And obviously if you are a butterfly, straddle, strangle, or a condor trader, then this Vega forms your lifeline. You have to completely understand Vega of each and every put and call you sell so that you can make maximum profit out of it. And if the Vega is extremely high, then you have to determine the bounds on your prices accordingly. So in any condor or butterfly or strangle, you have to buy and sell puts and calls, and you can buy and sell these puts and calls only if you understand their relationship with the Vega. Otherwise you might not be able to make any money out of it.